I'm going to show you how to sign out of YouTube on Android. First, open the YouTube app, tap on your profile on the bottom right corner of the screen. You'll notice there's no direct option to sign out, and even going to settings won't show a sign out option. Instead, go back to your home screen and open settings. Go to your list of apps. This may vary by device. Find and tap on YouTube to access its settings. Go to storage and choose clear cache and clear data. Confirm by tapping delete when prompted. Reopen the YouTube app. You're now signed out. To log back in, simply tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen and sign in as usual.